And then my guest no year. Ohemaa Mercy. Ohemaa Mercy nye ne Ohemaa Mercy o. Na ma me to Ohemaa Mercy nyom no. Ne the choreography wa sorry dem. The stocks is say and sa na che say. Ya say top white ne skirt black. Samre na me to Ohemaa Mercy anyom. Sunday school. Then the DJ offering. Na che say Ohemaa Mercy nye Ohemaa Mercy. And I miss Adwuma so me say ne be bon common ne. Then the no nko na ba yo. On the prophet Benjamin Fordjour. And or the buy, yes. Let's just send them come on. You do have a cranny, do have a car. And me about be shrine in the pan, and they are walk. Yammy any a bonnet. Yammy perform you know. And I mean, on Baba Bon come on. Anadina, Mebo. And I'll pay some way to dinner. And why dinner, Pebo? You're no kwa. Or who prophet any. Ohemaa Mercy wa ha die na je say nyame nkomo na ye ba bedie nkomo foforo bi ene ho ye bedie asad nyame nkomo so do akoma nyina manu a one obeyo wo do sa ba je na de akoma ho asem na ye kan if we are live on Facebook we found messages in engu ho mame na me kan mamo kama message na abetro no hwe ho na twro ho efa no atro message efe adaroma bomodene idan hwe na hwe onimu a na watro message no don't be bitter. Thank you so much. Auntie Ohemaa Mercy, good morning. Ene bibi aboko yesu shirao yesu gu eshrao na my prophet Benjamin so akwaba.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's it.
Ma akwaba bebre.
Yeah, I like it.
Ontichi.
Yeah,
Kaseba. Auntie Mercy ma akwaba bebre about 95.1. Yeah, 0.5. Bibi aboko.
Yesu shame.
Idewadiasi. Ano pe onwa ye fe pa wo Yesu mu. Omombo nyamenyum no omo kwa sori bebre bi say eh onwa ye fo say Yesu adrum ho ye fa hye Yesu animunyam.
No krese onwa no ye yesa.
Onwa na ye yesa, ono na ti bia mu no ne de asedade amano. Da mano. So for Benjamin so ho ye fe pa. E wo Yesu mu. Pa fa Yesu mu na. One Yesu mu say ba ko nse dan kwa sori o. Some say it is a kwa sorry is eh munya botrema yo ne be ko bi munya botrema ye enti me so fa ne ma muti sen bibia boko
bibia yo okay ya ba ha say ya me papa ba ha
invasion
nokre ai rade enam ya papa so na ode ba Ghana I think say from there how many years 2 years ni na erade nam say dwumadi ni so ye nipa bi bremu adwuma and yet the Tahila experience and so and yet the abanti. This great powerful programs in Tina you know about Felicia Yadiaba. Now mommy what to say?
Let me do no ye.
Me feeling it.
Nyamisha. It's in next ambassador United Tahila. Tahila. Invasion any invasion. Into two any account boom. Tahila invasion.
Invasion bedi kan.
Na Tahila ba. And anybody be can ban home come. You are
papa bedi cabo invasion.
Any papa more invasion home come. Papa boy invasion home come. Invasion is about them.
All right. That's a baby. It's in Yankopadom. Invasion. It's more of an apostolic and a prophetic conference.
Okay.
And Yankopadom, Yankopon, at the Tuyakoma saying so that the lives of the men can be blessed. Once I Bible one Yankopon or how bonipa. Until Barry I went to live a life according to Yankopa Christian, life will become a problem to you as well. For the past 2 years now here in Ghana. You started 2 years ago at Ghana, Yankopon Cameroon, Yankopon US, Yankopon UK. So we are traveling from one country to one country. I bless our mind here.
Oh wow. It's basically a prophetic and apostolic conference.
Yes. The whole idea is that Yankopon blessing lives and then ensuring say they do
Yankopon
Papa patch say one wa wo mputrim on bonifo no ede niama bebre atoto om so no onam program yi so jinwe free nkuchirem
Papa can say, Uncle Bonka, hey, you want to resurrect Christo?
Never.
Hey, one casa. Hey, what did Uncle Bonka say?
Never.
Chino, Ebeba. Oh, my kindness of Bias or an American no pay. Also, Bompire pray for shallow mind. Bompire say, I demo dream mundo, and you need shallow mind. I mean, Papa, you know. And tell me, how many horse I'll bet you more. Annie, and it's up. Papa can answer what Tiana watch the woman near Yaman. And say, I'm going to use to work for you. And the invasion in no. It's about happen what he found.
Happen at Accra International Conference Center.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 nights.
Oh, wow.
28th and
29th
of July. Friday, no being 28th, prophetic all night.
Okay.
It started exactly 8 p.m. Now, Saturday, I am partition service. It started 4 p.m.
Hey, and any other we can know, so we can need you.
I'm telling you.
You may be trying. Let's Sunday to a sorry.
Yes.
Let's just say we can know.
The Holy Ghost visitation.
And easy. A free gate, and never turn ticket.
It's free entry.
Free entry.
That's right.
And for Benadio Mato. So for the night, pastor's name.
I'm so happy seeing Adwuma Adwuma Lisa. The Empress is herself. It's Adwuma Adwuma. Ohemaa Mercy will be there, live and colored.
Okay.
Pastor Isaiah will be there, live and colored. Akese Bempong, Jojo Ahin, and Ejinado. But we have a lot of artists coming as well.
Let's say you buy a meda.
I'm telling you.
Because preaching a toda utie de bana water. Yes.
But I never come in Nimo, your Papa Benjamin, Fordjour say, oh, encounter no. When you couldn't if we say, Yaman Kunkun, Adwuma, say, Ojina no preachy, not irradi you soon. Where then when you come, because Yame power and a saturated a honey, and when you come cry, Yame has some no cry, a bem me one my own cracking.
Okay,
to when in Kumuda.
Tia the chewing gum by me and your family. Me farmer because me say the chewing gum by me dana marry. And when I say who here, that's Papa preaching and Mamma Jinam and so. Yes, I won't go back the same way I came and was trying more than Liverpool. And I had my invasion, no 28th and 29th of July. It will be a Friday and then a Saturday. And at time, no so. Friday day near time being.
It started 8 o'clock
p.m.
Since all night.
All night. It's basically the following day.
Okay. So we all night, and we go and come back again Saturday.
Okay. Invasion the 3 year then instead of be our tea or be per se. A bad day.
And one watch it, say 1 hour won't put him a radinam now more than so. An empire, any program under the atmosphere. So, Chichum, you mean you to him. No, see, or not why, no, we're riding Uncle Pancas.
Okay.
So we are invading just a fat one free baby, our share. And yet, baby papa, Adwuma.
I say, Obi a yes slave.
No, correct. Not a radinam, your papa so like
at 10 or set your move free. Until night of set free. Which we are setting a movie free. You walk or you free that about when you're free.
Freedom now, you can't want them to say, in pajama. You can't freedom. Not just say, would that be more? I say, a year, Yariebi. You can't freedom, and not just say, a big crowd with the sujache. You can't freedom. What a cat that was so. Sister, Obi, sika to me cran and some on to me vanya she na say. Obi wa hono ma ebusia ought be kutiano. And we are invading ourselves from everything that the devil have put on us.
This will be a sujeni and let's say sabe no make a home.
Oh yeah.
And you pay.
A beef fee bushim. A mare wa won worry. A meme wa won worry. And tia no and a papa. Erade division yamanwa erade nam so ye buawura wo busua no mu ho ye buawura all te bia obi ho akọ relationship nani ba ne ho so no na wa enter into bribia any say okotom but what must ye to me ndro kofa will be into a relationship enyo ono ankasa ne will. So there are so many things abi barrier ya papa nam dwumedie so eba abeboa ya ma ye free.
No crepa, no connect say enye nema kakra bi o. Our real invasion.
No cre.
GDA sikasem adwuma kwan traveling.
No cre. It's because I remember say last 2 years they did program you so Emma will be na on ne your friend say on ne passport ako but a delay Emma ma nipa no after the program no ne nsaka ne visa. I don't know what is on you a dear be a dawoswa a radin nam jumedie so enji won free
okay for Adwuma Adwuma 28th and 29th of July 28th near all night e ba be si Saturday nim ade che okofie kodware na asa ba beto aso Prophet Benjamin nti san night no you expect prophecy from like Papa.
Mama said nyankopo adom nyankopo be kasa fa na kwamu. Most of the times whenever we go for such programs now I am emphasizing the focus alone on people wanting to receive what they want to receive. But the focus is that come into Jesus. Don't come out. Said there's a problem when Uba Nyankopon fee with a limited understanding. There's a problem Uba Nyankopon with a limited understanding. When you're very careful, Uba say you might be in God's presence, not their open unsanka.
Because expectation at the buy
I'm telling you. The issue is Nyankopon wants to give you something bigger than your own expectation. The nipa it's always bigger. Yeah. You know, it's always bigger when God comes in the picture.
Exactly.
But the miracle will not be with our rear. It can be with sickness. It can be something. One day he would enter into your life and bring you out of it. Sanity. It is that in there. We know all right. But it's more about coming into Jesus and having an encounter with him.
Into all by but say only nyame bedin komo.
I'm telling you.
Bibia to me
I'm telling you. She unse me kade bia say ewiase won. Nyankopon akwan so fa so blessing nipa. And it is very possible to enter into God and receive everything at once. Nyankopon won. Even though say what they mre age man won or how otimi fa the person blessing nipa at once. There is a code you enter into God's system and everything can come at once to you. Sanity. Once you enter Jesus, Bible says he's the way, he's the truth, he's the life. When you go through the door, you've entered the house of God. Everything can become yours. Sanity.
Kakra imponi o nesi nyame aro Friday dia. Ye no kra ye na kra because kakra ya wo kan yo kra no. Utumi say inya ya ke be ko deep. But I say sabot tahila ho ko.
Very important. Yeah, but gidi.
Nti ensa ko tahila so kakra na ensa me wura invasion.
Tahila dia em say obia dia. Enyo ye ma mesi dia biom. Say ho enu nyina. Ghana dia. Enye Ohemaa mesi die biom aforimukia yesi na yesori Awurade keke na Awurade nam sa aforimukia no so na odi nkrofo testimony minim sasa we bomb paya nyame suma ni angels but it is only worship and I only say Awurade ankasa usane ebeji na yeyi ntino simply worship. It is an atmosphere yen kase artist way bana MC ababeji na no akase dey we dey you need to have enough.
Let's MC nim ntutu nyuma na da question next person nsem
next person aba
wow
na next person aba enti etwatwa so sana ade ba ko Awurade ye no and me kana na ma brown ko ade there are lot of people Awurade nam. There is one thing I may say a grown and profound understanding on this program no if we say First, no na omunim say just an ordinary worshiper, a concert obi aba. But you start you know you hunu say si ye church nipa nim Emma oti ase ansa na waba oba no ode buta ye bi na ode ba. Inti ye sha ase 30 days fasting Facebook live na ye di nipa na frame and every year be a team. And this year nyame adom the fire and the fragrance. That is a unyamicha any idea etunya. And ye church mu say when you carry fire, ye papa ebesraye. When you carry fire, dear be anyone maybe to me, edo wabafom. And I think that this year Nankasa having the fire and the fragrance, it is going to be another way of revival. Powerful. So one pie back of formua. A rather benam jumedi in swama. Yami go grab where so for. Tino any ordinary atmosphere na this year. Ye creating me chiti Felicia. Men pie bar me bo for almost 5 months. Meaning I say, Obi didn't I see wakeka. A ratty and nam minimum beer. Or tam blocks. Na or the bar program nasi. Say, oh GD say for so many months ni yen to blocks. Or better so. Once now could be so better now so. The sorry I'm in our notice so. Or free one more 1 week time. Omo blocks are near go be so she should be. And omo directing your best son in our sound at the big camp. At the end I think say a be a phone in a lot of people will share even their experience than myself. Niame unune ni amatin and America. Obiane said you obey experience. As soon as you are in my messy michina wa me experience. Obie ba or the nikununsem or the bansem. A rate kayen. And when Felicia, me bompire say, Nipa be unu say, this is not an ordinary worship program. It is a program me bano, me besia for mukia. Nama kache rade say, niya media mawi, feye bribia, ebe bo me maho pain, ebe yi me free, amaniemu, accidentim, na edi restoration, aba me ne me maso. And that is what obi eba omra wo mere artist ye the artist e gusu keke
obi on mo ba wa fa ne ho
there be ye the artist e be wo mere makeup
wo so artist yi artist bo mpaye no na o jama ye say ntu nko na picture da ha che say adema mo yesa
Felicia wonim wo me bi da you have a different notion ba nya obi de be catch us
fa no to
because everybody is worshiping obi eba no nani abrese we die mi ya se metu kwan into where the rade me sorry be we you know o grandma wutrim everybody is ready to worship because obi say me free them wa me ba no nani bo mani ma pe o ka che rade say mani asi Ohemaa mesi animi enye Ohemaa mesi na ye we rade me kofi ama me nya yefunu ho ba ampanso eyeye wonim ni enti because no wa ye ready and na we siesie no say we die me fendi agro ti me sraw enye baby a ye be dressing
there be
enye baby e be nkrofo makeup
there be
enye make a obi ase wo ba makeup no kure mo because one way
o be sweat
one sweat kura so a nyame nkronkron be bo wesu a wonni sio kura be paper makeup
no
ti me se wo ba siesie ho na she leggings wo wata ade ase
na ho ko ne be tu twena o to ankogu abon
because e be sie Felicia me pese enipa hu no se ya bompaye ya kwanche but do atmosphere bia nkom hye bia che wo ti so ne etumi on beli eno na mpese nipa bi ewu na wo ba and I really want family to come together this year woni wo mane wo kunu mo tina kem o ba mo mpaye rade maye master dia yesi bai maye nkofie with something and that is what I want everybody to come with.
Fa wo this one nyina brada no na wo kwa nyame be so o this is a night ne die what for date am ayen
on the 13th of August
Adwuma
but wouldn't enkrofo grab a prayer walk than even the program impo in the prayer walk na 29 July
let's just say we so for there na a time ben
exactly 4 a.m.
how much
but ye shiemu tesano junction ho near walk here too Royal House Chapel, Oyo Dom. Me patch of our shim. Na prayer walk, not just say, oh, how bury me. Me here say free me so. Be woman, me here say free me so. When sometimes we are comfortable in a room. And your bumpire has a open so dark. And you are not in your comfort. And you know, that is what God gave us the vision. Say, before the program, and I'm telling you, we've had a lot of testimonies.
Testimony na say I'm makai o kan na background there. Obet ma share ne there with us.
I think say about 5 years ago. And I started someone in a bumpire. And me empire na mijidi. Minji ndi bibi empire na mijidi say adi achempon. Iradi betumi amana ye. Nya wa try into me anye ye. When you go before God yourself and communicate with him. Iradi betumi. So I told my sister, adi we hadis empire. And the hospital process in England. Or yan wa from me a pompa you ready with your money na my director the side and up to baby Maxine a buy in Shankanyame. And when she was coming to Tahila 2018, our carry and of the shame median the sustaining this one the my baby
Ohemaa Adwuma 13th August.
I want to see you there. I know what I'm talking about. I want to see you. The one who say, "Obia sorry nyame." I'm gonna come for you. Go and say that.
See, I'm checking my calendar. Na me hwe be 13th.
David, but your calendar no one share. Bibi or Kre was our council.
13th August. Yes, Saturday.
Sunday.
Hey, my the next calendar. Tell me treasure antro.
Sunday.
Sunday.
But your bomb answer only me and woman Sunday. Oh yeah,
me Pachomati. Pachomati. Me Adwuma 13th August. Ye nyina ye for ye ni enchire.
The program is starting 4, but 12 ne why ma.
Number 4.
Yes, starting in number 4, but 12
PM.
Ne why ma because e be fifi akwantu omu no mo ba. Omo ne asori ne be ya asori. Omu wi ano manya baby papa.
Obi e penkwaje. Sisi de edu no bi e penkwaje. One na mo sa.
The world has failed everybody. And you see, the Bible say, na somebody rintwemu da. O dwane kwa hemfa kura obesa be dwane ahye nase. And he is the greatest. Ono nko ano ya ade ma wa. Bibia ni wa wo je free wonsem. Oye e ma ne tena ho, e ma ne ya afebo.
Ma ne ye fesusu.
Oh.
Obi chinchane na ni wo mu saa ka se wa fa baabi.
Sister. Inti se woni Yesu a, ye che Yesu ama wo say he's the ultimate
free.
And a program is free.
Venue ne ye he.
Eye Oyo Dom, ya papa Sam Kwanchiankra, Royal House I feel. And ye yira kwankra.
Oyo Dom wo he.
Ewo Kaneshi. And of Ujina circle grounds with the eye Kaneshi circle and Gina
Obeche be run about.
To Faka now Casa Woka in Piakruma will be
out of a co. Auntie Messi, she say also releasing new song at Cheney albums and adi.
No crap.
Tahila and Tina they are to hold Nana.
But they've been releasing it 2 years, it be at 3 years, 3 years. And it's under the directions of God. No one but if I've not gotten the go ahead now, Yana mean person may release it because of experience and you want.
Experience I want. Now fans in the year sentiments when you baba be and you know asem kakra.
Me fans in them my royals. They see me every day. They have enough of me. And to me fan you cramba you. Okay.
Yeah, no crap because old ones they golden. Into who's quite say we that say yamuno because they be it sounds new. Yatiasi. It is see no focus no. Yeah, Tahila. Ohemaa Adwuma 13th of August. 4 p.m. No, what about Tennessee? Because 1 month when you may be in Tina. You saw that Konya free fee. No, dear pa. So for Benjamin, Mrs. Babiana, because everyone were one place by the Maya sophomore. See what I didn't say about your children before.
Felicia.
Because you have a boy there on Payo, you need a Pisca Papa pay you as a fine boy. Fine boy, also. This is what I did a bomb pie in your children before.
When Yami Adwuma evasion Bebaso on the
28 and 29.
Yamisha.
So for science, I so for Bayano. So for your mom pie, your funk, your funk, prayer in one.
I said, Obi the bomb pile.
I
be your prayer points.
my fountain.
Many prayer points. The bomb pie, many prayer points.
Let's be a toast of war.
Yes, sir. But many prayer points.
Oh, yeah. So the whole idea do by your prayer point. I did a person Benjamin. Benjamin.
Naminti.
Hey,
Felicia, you're wrong. It's not the other one.
you will be when I know you. Into Mamma send a message for Benjamin or so your prayer point. We hear you, I want to know. But bomb pie and a Joe, what I say, but Joe were going to be your warrior. But you do maybe. But you fear a joker. You when you feel soft Benjamin.
My cousin be was
you.
Once for a very long time now, man. You realize, sir, whenever you call radio so called evangelism concerning programs are, I realize, sir, sometimes nipa no use physical things as a testimony. So now there's no issue with that. Now there also now. There has to be a physical testing. The Yankopon is good. So but Yankopon focus any what he gives you, but what becomes of you.
Exactly.
There is a strong difference between Yankopon ama ubibi, na Yankopon ama waye they will be powerful. Now most of you are here. You realize at the end, they receive what they pray for, but they lose what they pray for, because they never gain the understanding on how to govern what they pray for. The purpose of empire, anything mature in the spirit. So with ease, you can easily communicate to others what God has done for you. Exactly. My example has it. Say Oba a penny sing. Now in a very long run, anybody who comes around that woman to take of the baby now, because of the pain and the process the lady went through. So you'll be blessed with Akwala. Not because God said so, just because Obama has a testimony of the pain she has been to as a barren woman. In the highest proof of a testimony, and they say you just don't receive what you pray for, but He can institute in you the power to make this happen at will. Sanity. I want to go school that, but what who say Oswa there, and then you can be led. Say no, I'm engine and wow. No, I catch you saying you. And a bit shocking how does it open for you? All because of a testimony of long life and hardship in destiny. Sanity. So even though say we want to tell a man for say they should come and receive miracles, catch them say they should come expecting Jesus. Because Nyankopo will give them something bigger than expected. You realize gradually, because some of the Christians don't mature through time, they want to get things with ease. Obia sorepe or pase or kwaso nenya car, because he believes unya car de anyankupo na echira. We thank God for that. But a bit shocking say in the long run, what you felt was important, something can happen. Ube lose focus for that. And at the end, so it's more of understanding how God wants a man to operate and if an invasion. Where you are given the kingdom life experience. So with ease you can command things. Because what kind of Bible are on? Ubon said on the account of creation, everything was created to be ours. When Adam lived in God, he didn't for once pray for things to happen. But things happened because he wanted them to happen. That is called dominion. So with ease they can tell what things it says. And God bless them.
Wow. Powerful.
Powerful.
Very.
Yes. So tinema we asia oni nyame tembe fine.
Oh.
On dane ka bebre. And abenya abota twen. Ono ani bremu no. Oba bibia de ama. I believe say Christopher to that na ya hu ni say ya twen ache. And hu ni say nyame zo betumi aye o tade na wo chesa senior.
T-shirt to the bin so ya twene no. Ebi enam na ebi kura na nya ho kura na nyame.
Debi.
Epeso wa yema yen. I'm telling you. Nti asema papa can a deep
papa. Yɛde nkɔmmɔ no bɛsi ha na yɛabɛtoa so on the 28th and 29th of July. And the 13th of August. Auntie Mercy, mpacho final words.
Tahila. Ti baby a wo bia na eja no yaso. Enti bomodin ase wo bury wo bobo, wo candle na on the 29th yeshiem na yaso ye kanea no. Yes, celebrated 10 years and God has been so good to us.
Easy.
God has been so good to us and me did so enkrofom paye and edi edu baby a yedri. Ti yet was on the 29th and on the 13th bomodin ase obesiesi takrade for ba massive for ba.
Onua FM 95.1.
Yes, in I say, Nimunang Pow and Qua and so the high about 2 years. Felicia, that's what
Yami in Shawso. Why invited foreign musicians?
I invited Nigerians.
Nigerians
be brave. Free, some solar. Yes, also, Mr. M and the Revelation. Yes, also neon, and so yes, also a lot of surprises. But a bebo, Ninian said, yeah, Charles said, yes, sorry, yummy. Neddy Nepa, a briar propos. And I me no more so more Ghana, so Ekam, Dana Hamilton, your papa, Joe Beecham, yes, also wore Rama entry, ye wore if a grace escape from Pong, ye wore Yenia Bassi Chum. And powerful ministers.
95.1.
Before Uncle today, who to me in film, the account or sorry, the United boom, yeah, sorry, rat.
Sorry, rat day. So for Benjamin, patch of final words.
But I say, so on the 28th and the 29th, you share what the Accra International Conference Center. 28th, no being the prophetic online, it starts at 8 p.m. Now 29th, no being impartation service at 4 p.m. I want to see everybody there. Trust me, I won't buy any Yankopon, so I did not do what to you.
Pacho, you, Yami, in Shamo Pass, and money I be share words at Crabby. You bet drew on them near tea and ye. Naji, Yami, to see a cranny at Junko. Yami, Shanti Messi and a prophet Benjamin. Honey, a dear community. Thank you so much for passing through. Yami Shamo. Papa, your henny, may your henny ba, may your henny ba, may your henny ba, may your henny ba.